Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Sarkar and today I would be unboxing Amazon Basics 12 feet long male to female stereo audio cable. I bought this cable because I have a Rode video mic and its cable is very short in length. That prevents me from getting the mic closer to the subject. With this cable, I'm hoping that I will be able to get the mic closer to the subject while putting the camera in any angle or direction I want. And I'm also hoping that it will not only help me get better videos but also better audio. The only issue is I have no clue whether or not this will actually work with my setup because my mic and my camera actually needs 3.5 mm TRS cable. From the product images, it looked like it was a 3.5 mm TRS cable. However, if it turns out to be a TRSS cable, or in case for some reason it does not work with my setup, I would have to give it back and look for another setup. So let's see what happens. In case you're wondering what is the difference between TRS and TRSS, it is essentially the number of grooves. The 3.5 mm TRS jack has two grooves, while the 3.5 mm TRSS jack has three. I'll put a link in the description box for an article which gives you the difference and details about both the jacks. So in case you need to do something like this, you can make a better informed choice as well. So let's go ahead with the unboxing now. I have bought a few Amazon Basics products, so they are generally quite decent in quality. Not the best, I would say, in the quality, but still quite decent, and they aren't too expensive. This 12 feet long cable cost me around 500 rupees. I guess I could have found a better one, but this is a gold plated one, so I'm hoping that I get good enough quality. And here it is, like it says, Amazon Basics 3.5 mm male to female audio cable. Does it say TRS or TRSS? It does not. Anyways, let's go ahead with the unboxing. And here is the cable. It looks to be quite good in quality. It isn't that heavy, it is actually quite light. It does look like and seem like something that would actually work with my uh, camera setup. So hopefully I will not have any issue with this. And it isn't sleeved. I would have liked to have something which had the sleeved cable because then they are less prone to getting damaged. But for this price, I guess this is the best one can get. In any case, let me swap out the audio cable and see how things are. Okay, so now I am using the extension cable, and that, as you can probably see, the framing is a little bit different. Camera is further away from me and the mic is closer to me, so hopefully the audio quality should be better and the perspective from the camera should be a lot better as well. In any case, I'll test out the quality of this and will give you a long-term review of it, whether or not it works, and we'll see how it goes. Usually the Amazon Basics stuff is good. I have to really see whether or not this cable actually impacts the audio quality. That is my primary worry at this moment, but I'm hoping it shouldn't do that. And if all is okay, then it would really help you out. So that's it for now. See you guys tomorrow.